Okay, so I'm at the 50-year cactus deck completion. This is the 50-year cactus deck completion video. Let's take a look at it. You guys remember this deck was in horrible shape. It had cracks and gaps everywhere. The wood was old, splintered. We've come in with the Kong armor system and locked this all down. We filled in about 95% of these cracks and gaps. Some of them were just a little bit too much, and that's okay. The bulk of them, the majority of them are covered in. They've got really, really good protection on this older wood here now, and it turned out very, very beautiful. This is a really, really pretty deck. We'll take a look at some of this old splinter wood here. This was all old and very splintered. If you were to run your hand across here, you would have got mass splinters. You'd have been ate up. Now, with Kong armor, super splinter lock technology. All of this is all water locked now. Water's not going to get down in there and destroy that. Very, very pretty down through here. Down through the stair system. And then there's a drop down. There's actually a drop down deck here. This is the deck that had some larger cracks in it that were just a little bit harder to fill in, but with the coating itself, we did get 99% of them, however. And this deck here turned out very, very beautiful too. This has all got splinter lock, UV blockers in it that deflect the UV rays back up into the atmosphere. They have a lifetime limited warranty, lifetime service on both deck systems. Let's take a look at this rail system one more time. And see how beautiful it finished. It really, really, really turned out gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful deal. This is heck with it. Let's go down and take a look at the outside while we're at it. I was going to call it quits, but this deck here is so beautiful. We might as well show the outside of it. Here's the 50-year-old cactus that we told you about at the beginning. Here's this deck system down here. These are some of the larger cracks, and I may still work on these a little bit too. But you can see here, very, very beautiful. Terry has asked me to come back out here in 7 days and put his deck furniture back on, and I obliged him. We had some checking in these posts. They're all filled in and beautiful now, uniform. We'll go here to the outside. Terry, there was just a turkey right here. What? Yep, when I walked back here. He was standing right here. He took off back into the woods. Very, very beautiful deal. This is Oak Brook, Kentucky.
Across the backyard, had a little chick with him.
Yeah? He ran off into the woods. You can get a quote from Kong Armor, www.kongarmor.com. Super easy. Just click on get quote. I'll come out. We'll talk to you about your deck, see what we can do to help you. Okay? See you later.